A new feature that we've just released in PataBid Quantify here is the ability to individually turn off visibility on audit rows temporarily for the drawing here. So you'll see a new button in here, this little eyeball, and when you click on that, it will hide all of the associated items on the drawing. And you can go down and hide multiple of these, going down here, for example, and toggle the visibility on and off for these. When you want to turn them back on, you can go back up and simply click to toggle them back on. Also, refreshing the page brings them back to the default. So if you refresh the drawing up here, it will return visibility to normal. So if you're doing a complex takeoff and just need to hide a few items quickly, you can very easily use the little eyeball here to toggle visibility on and off for these. You can also, as usual, use the layering system on the drawings here. So for example, if I refresh this to return to normal, I can hide everything not related to fire alarm. So if I wanted to see strictly my fire alarm items here, I could select fire alarm, and here we go. I see only those items on my drawings here. So this works as drawing layers by system, for example. And if I wanted to see all of my distribution, I could do that. And then again, still toggle the individual visibility on and off for items within those layers.